friends, this is Renee from Little Village Homestead, and this morning I'm going to show you how to make a wonderful, healthy, and loaded breakfast cookie. Let's go! Okay friends, this is really easy to put together and it's healthy and they are delicious. So, very simple. First we're going to start out with 1 1/4 cups of oats, quick oats. And we're going to put 3/4 cups of flour in there. And then here we've got 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So we're just going to give that a little bit of a whisk just to get it mixed in together. Okay, so now we're going to set that aside. I'm going to use this dish right here. I'm going to add 1 egg to this little dish. Fork. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of maple syrup. Wonderful stuff. Don't want to waste any of that. And I've got 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And then I'm going to put a teaspoon of vanilla in here. Okay. That's simple. This stuff is wonderful. Alright, we're just going to whip this together. Alright, dump that right into there. And we're going to start mixing this really good. See how that's coming together? Real nicely. You can use this for like your little basic recipe for your healthy breakfast cookie, and you can add whatever, nuts, pretty much whatever, anything you want, nuts, dried fruit, any of that, and you know, make it the way you like it. However, I like to put walnuts in, so I got a nice handful of walnuts, and I also like chocolate chips, and I've got cranberries, dried cranberries in here. So I'm just going to fold that all in together really good. That reminds me, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 375. Okay, we got all that put together. Isn't that nice? That's a really nice dough. I don't want to waste it. It's too good to waste. Okay, so I got my little pan here. And we're just going to take this and drop that by rounded. I got a little ice cream scoop. It's just a small one. So I'm going to put just a dot of olive oil on my hands, because then I'm just going to take and press these down, because they don't flatten. They won't flatten on their own, so you need to do that. Okay, now these are going to go, aren't those darling? Those are going to go into a 375-degree oven for about 12 to 14 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. And when they're done, I'll be back. Okay, friends, take a look at the cookies. They turned out beautiful. Nice and golden brown and delicious. So there you have it. It's a really easy recipe. Healthy, loaded breakfast cookies. Try it. You'll love them. Thanks for watching.